at the airport. We just took our COVID test. We are negative. We are approved to fly onward. We are going back to the States. So come along for the journey. Another travel day. Oh, and we are flying United, so it's a pretty good airline. Wow.
Rest will take 45 minutes, same thing.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, you're right.
Yikes. Well, I got coffee. It's now morning time. It is 7 o'clock at night. We are at the airport. We just took our COVID test. We are negative. We are approved to fly onward. And just to let you know, if you are leaving Ecuador, Quito in particular, and you need a COVID test, you can get an antigen test what we took for $35 a person. Super affordable, and still a pain in the ass to pay $35, but hey, it is what it is, you know? Anyways, we are going back to the States, just for a short while. We have to take care of some things, and that's where we're flying onward. So today's vlog is pretty much going to be a travel day vlog. And our flight's not till 2:30 in the morning, so we have about 7.5 hours of chill time. It is a red-eye flight. We fly from here to Houston, Houston to Boston. Meanwhile, we're just gonna chill out and keep ourselves occupied. We'll see how it goes. So come along for the journey. Another travel day. Oh, and we are flying United, so it's a pretty good airline. So there should be some good stuff on there. Hopefully get some good food, some good amenities, you know, some movies, shows, all that jazz. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's not crowded. If it is crowded, why are people flying at 2 a.m.? I don't know. Why am I? Why are we? Who knows? See you soon. If you come here to Quito Airport and you're really early for your flight, maybe because you have to do a COVID test, or you just want to be early, you can come to what's called like the airport center. It's actually outside of the check-in area, right across the street on the other side. And when I say across the street, it's just like across the loading zone where people drop you off. You can get a bunch of things to eat. They have KFC, Cinnabon, American Deli. They have Juan Moles Cafe, El Española. They have some sushi. They have another place. Plenty of options to eat, plenty of places to sit, and you can enjoy some time here. Well, some of them are closed right now. Cinnabon is closed and American Deli is closed. There are some lounge chairs too. flight. Nice blanket to go to sleep with. Table to rest my head on. A person to sleep on. We'll see you when we get to Houston. Finally made it after many hours and barely any hours of sleep, but now we are headed for the most American breakfast ever. Dunkin' Donuts. Can I have a pumpkin cream cold brew, small?
We don't have coffee right now.
Okay, I'll just have a regular iced coffee, small with caramel. Egg and cheese English muffin.
Okay.
And do you have a pumpkin donut?
Which one?
Pumpkin donut. Pumpkin donut?
Okay.
That's it. Egg and cheese is the best way to get accustomed back to the United States. It tastes so good, so cheesy. Egg is so fake, but it's so good. Alright, one more flight and it's done. Let's get to Boston. Finally made it here in Boston. I dropped the camera walking out of the plane, then I had to pick it up, and I stood up and bonked my head on a seat, or on the top above the seat. Right, we successfully got all our bags Everything's here. We've landed. We're in Boston. Now we're headed to our final destination, and that is the end of the vlog. So we will see you in the next video. So this is a United B737, 737, 800/900, whatever that means.